See that? Wait till it gets. Yes. Fingers crossed. Intro. What? What? We're at the field. What? We're in a different location. Can they see us? Can people see us? Can you see us?
We're trying a new system out. So
there you go. A new system with a new plane. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So
fingers crossed it works. And should we start? Oh, I'll bring the plane up first before we start. There you go. So just so you know you are at the right place. There you go. There's the plane. There you go. So, okay, should we start?
I think we'll do our intro.
Yeah, we'll do our intro. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Is we got a good connection? Okay, well, just let us know.
I think we've got a good
how the connection is, and we'll start. Okay.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go. H outdoor racing, H outdoor racing, H outdoor racing.
Live.
Yes.
We
Welcome to the show,
the H outdoor racing show.
Yes, and thanks so much for tuning in. Yes, like we were saying, we're trying out a new system, brand new system on the live stream. So there you go with it. And hopefully it all works. And we've got the plane just sitting here.
It's like anything, you know. When you're gonna risk it to get the biscuit, why not just like make it harder and just set up a whole new system?
There you go. So it should look very similar to the old system if we've done it right. So there you go. And
ideally even better.
And also make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment as much as you want. Welcome very much to this special live stream
brought to you in the field.
Yes.
Remember to comment.
Yes, we see that. Yes, and thanks to all very much to all our sponsors.
That's right. Yeah.
So
I think there's one missing from that list. I think the Crowley needs to have its name.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, Nick, how's it going?
Hey, thanks very much for tuning in, brother. And yes, okay. So, what will we be doing on this one, Richard?
We will be attempting to do we'll call it a world's first live stream Micro Talon flight.
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
we're going to claim it.
We're going to claim it. So there you go. It's
sweet connection. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Hopefully it stays that way.
Yeah, just keep us up to date. We might have to like chop and change to a different system, but we will continue and we'll get this bad boy sorted. So
there it goes. We've done a little bit of things since we saw each other on this build since last time. What have we done, Richard? We've added weight. You can see there.
We've added CG.
Added a new CG weight. What did we use there, Richard?
For the CG, we added a socket.
A socket, yes, an old socket that we had in the drawer, and a sinker from a fishing sinker. There you go, that adds the weight.
That's right.
To get the CG right.
It's not pretty, but it does the job.
There you go. Nobody will know. You won't tell anyone. There you go.
You won't tell if I won't tell, right?
Yes, and what kind of battery are we decided to put into it?
We're using a 4S LiPo,
yes.
2300 milliamp hour Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little range test. Do you think?
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do what you're meant to do. We'll do we'll check the props are going. We'll check
get the CG right.
We'll get the VTX in its right format.
Oh yes. You don't want to make the same mistake we did when we were flying with Nick, and we forgot to put it into the right setting, and we only had it in pit mode. There you go. So it wasn't this plane; it was the Tornado.
Yeah.
There you go.
So, that was another
great flight that was too. There you go.
Exciting.
So yes.
Where's my head direction? So are we gonna fly this one in FPV, or we're gonna have the stream going? Hopefully, you can see it with the FPV. But are we gonna fly?
FPV is the camera on this particular model. This is the Micro Talon, and it comes from the front.
That's right. Yeah. I think it was from the AKK episode.
Yeah.
If I can remember, check the link above. If not, just go and check it out on the live stream or in the playlist on the episode.
Yeah. So which way is the wind going?
There's not too much wind, so we don't have too much to contend with. Straight down.
There you go, straight down.
So sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes that's not. And the other thing we can contend with is this is a rare prop.
Yes.
So just imagine that hand propeller. I think it's a 5 inch, isn't it?
This is a 7-inch prop we put on here. So
7 inch.
7-inch.
Oh yeah,
prop.
yeah.
So what are we going to do? Are we going to what was glove on?
Maybe a glove.
Yes.
What was the episode of the week? What was Tuesday?
Ah yes, the episode of the week this week was the FPV RC rocket helicopter. Maybe a world's first. I haven't seen it anywhere else.
We'll say it's
we'll claim it. We'll claim it.
Someone has to, right?
Someone has to claim it. So yeah, that was a great one, and we were and it was some of it was made on live stream as well.
It's got it with the CNC on the back. So we did the CNC desktop, and we cut it out with a milling machine, right?
Yep.
Live.
Yep.
With the tail rotor for the
yes,
helicopter.
We did. So there you go. It's all coming together, as it were.
And actually, if those keen people out there, past, present, or future, will recognise this is in fact the same location as that.
Yes.
You could say that spot there where my finger is was where the ignition happened. That was where the action happened, right? You flick that switch and then rocket, motor, explosive. Explosion.
So yeah, hopefully this one works well. We haven't obviously tested it, but we all
Today's the day.
So how have we got it set up? We've set it up with our PWM setup.
Yeah, no flight controller at this stage.
No flight controller.
It says big warning thing in the documentation from Titan Dynamics. It says do not do this without flight controller. So we thought, I did it once, I can do it again.
That's right. And yes, and the way you set up a VTAL. Oh, hang on. What's next here? Hope the chopper's fixed up. We haven't looked at the chopper. He's just sitting there nicely, but
he'll get fixed.
He's just sitting there. We're working on other projects at the moment.
Yeah.
It's just not enough time of the day.
It's not enough time.
But yes, now he'll fly again for sure.
Yeah.
He only broke one linkage that we couldn't find.
And
the little top nut at the top. Oh, the legs.
Minor. Need to be reprinted.
Yeah,
but you could resolder them back up.
Yeah, you could plastic weld them back in.
But I think either A, we'll refix it, or maybe we'll make it into something else. Yeah, something more than meets the eye.
That's
Transformers.
Yes, there you go. And yes, looks quite good. There's not that much wind out there today. I don't know if that's a good thing in this particular plane.
Yeah, sometimes they like wind. Sometimes they don't.
Yes. What do you want to get? What do you want to start with? Yeah, so it's a VTAL configuration. If you can see that, hang on, I'll get out of the way. There you go. It's VTAL configuration. So theoretically, I don't know if we've ever flown a VTAL configuration, but the way we worked it out was, if you put your hand there, Richard, demonstrate what up looks like. What does up look like, Richard?
Up goes up.
Up goes up.
Down goes down.
Down goes down.
So if you want to go rudder left, so it's rudder to you.
Yep.
It would go like that, wouldn't it? That's opposite.
And then that way.
And then obviously
R-ons is normal. There you go. Yeah. So there you go. So yes. So I guess we just go and do it. What receiver did we put in it? Just the people that
we put in an easy UHF long range 70+ kilometers.
70+ kilometers and
more for the whole family.
Which one? AKK is the TX
8 watt.
8 watt. So that's you can fly to Mars on that one. So there you go.
And Nick suggests that maybe 2 rockets on that helicopter. Why limit yourself to 2?
Yeah, exactly.
If you're going that route, you might as well go 4.
Yeah, it sounds like a great idea, I think. And yeah, and why haven't I thought? It's a great idea. Yes.
Maybe we'll just take some from Nick's idea.
No, it's a great idea. Yes. So, what do you want to do? I'm kind of stalling. Yes, I don't know if I want to go and do it.
Okay. Well, what we'll do is we'll start the warm up phase, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do some pre-flight checks, right? We're
Pre-flight
going to do it by the books. Otherwise, the books won't be written.
There you go.
You can't write the books about this monumentous day if we haven't done it. So.
Yeah, we will just change over to the camera feed so they'll let the people know what it will look like on their screen.
Which one?
I don't know, just something else.
That one?
No, not that one. Oh yeah, well it would look like that, but there's no
that one.
There's no feed coming out at the moment because we haven't turned that on yet.
Which feed's that? Oh, okay, so it's that one.
From the camera, yes.
No, still.
So the little black screen at the bottom of the board there that you can see will be populated with the FPV camera. So yeah, so as we walk out there somewhere or somewhere we throw it from,
hopefully you get some FPV footage, right?
You'll be able to see what's going on.
Well, at least that's the idea.
Yes. Okay, so would you screw down the cabinets, you reckon?
Well, that one there, you'll need to do the buttons.
Oh, we're going to do the buttons?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go through our pre-flight checks. Alrighty.
You got to do your checks, right?
Yes, there you go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we'll turn the remote on. And what remote are we using? For the people out there that into remotes, we're using the Jumbo T16.
Welcome to
With the easy UHF on the back.
And Amber talking. And that's easy UHF in the back. That's with the giant antenna.
Yeah. So why do you have a giant antenna? Why is it so old school? Because it's long range, obviously.
There you go. Okay.
So what do we need to do? We need to do some range checks.
I suppose we should.
Do some throttle checks. Have we tightened that prop nut up? Let's do that check. Let's start there.
Start with basic.
We did do some checks earlier today, but we were busy doing other things.
And what did you get up to today, Nick? Did you were you out and about doing something cool? Hopefully you were.
Was a little loose. Probably a good idea to do.
It was loose. You want to tie it up again? You're in. Okay. Hopefully they had a great day today.
Yes, in this particular case, it's not going to spiral to the left or the right like the Tornado did with 2 props. It will just glide. You just lose power.
Okay, well, hang on. Maybe we should get the CG right. We'll do that first. Put the canopy on. Just
would that change it?
Probably wouldn't. Just annoying. Okay, let's try and get the CG right, and people can see it. So I'll leave it.
Okay, so there's some little divots under here that come in the print.
There's one there, and then there's another one on the other side. So there you go. Okay, you hold it just in case. And where's my divot? There's one divot, and there's another divot. You got hold of it, just in case it falls down.
Yeah, so you want it slightly nose heavy. So it is, so that's good. So tick, right? Yeah. Obviously on this one you do need it nose heavy because all the weight's at the back.
Yeah, all the VTX, the power motor, and all the weight's tail heavy. So there you go. That's why we just added like a heck load of weight to the front.
Yeah.
Okay, so
the remote's on, so you can plug it in.
Yeah.
You want me to hold it while you plug it in, so you can see?
Okay. Yeah. Maybe move your hand around, turn around. Just in case, right? Safe.
So throttle down, plug in.
Throttle's down.
Yep, Marooney.
So we very much appreciate you guys tuning in on this special day.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. The VTX is working. So that's the feed coming in from the camera. That's
hopefully you can see that. Give us a thumbs up if you can. Please come through.
Please come through.
Please come through, man.
Okay, so we need to bump up the power.
Yep. Do you want to put the canopy down? Or?
Okay, yep. Sure.
Yep. Just give us a thumbs up if it is coming through. And Nick says he talked to Adrian and he's tried to grab his plane and 4 of his fingers got cut. Ouch. On the propeller. Yikes. That is not so fun. Hope he is okay.
Yep. Never fun to get injured.
Be careful. Thanks. Cheers.
But it certainly can happen. I mean,
that's right. Do we have any Kevlar gloves here? Not really.
Yeah, there's a Kevlar.
So is the feed coming in? That's what we want to know. Is the feed from the camera coming in on the bottom corner? That's what we want to know.
Corner, yeah.
From the bottom, yes, on the bottom right there.
I think it is.
I think it is. It looks like it on our screen. Just need visual confirmation from one of our nice people out there.
We'll say it is.
We'll say it is. Of course, the thing is about it, you probably don't want to square on too much. If we're going to go, are we going to just go and throw it? Because we might be getting hot. We're going to undo it.
Are we going to undo it?
Yeah.
I thought we were just going to go do it.
Yeah, just go and do it.
No time like the prison.
All right. Yes. Cool. Excellent.
Okay, so that's all working.
Okay.
And then we've got a little hatch in the back here.
Okay.
Okay, so it says 1, 1, 1. Okay, so I think the memory is you hold it down.
What does it say? The VTX will wait for the reasons between the three.
So what we're looking at here, guys, is in there, the ATK at the back. Doing some.
So to change the power, you need to press the button for hold the button for 3 seconds. The LED will flicker, and a short press to change.
So hold it down for 3 seconds, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think I changed the channel. Yeah, I did. I lost the signal.
Oh. Okay, hang on.
It slipped off. I think I changed the frequency band on it.
Okay, just go back through and hopefully it comes back up again. When you're doing it live, these things happen.
How many channels out there?
Quite a few. It's good, isn't it? Good, good. That was before we changed the channel. Yeah. We'll get there. We'll come back around.
How many channels?
I don't know.
It's on your hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, hang on. What's that? There you go. It was 8 times. Okay, sweet. So now we've got to hold it for 3 seconds. Having another go.
Can you do it with your hand? Because my finger keeps
Right.
sticking off. Yeah, hold it down for 3. I'll tell you when to let go. And then hit it again. Wait for it. Now, hit it one more time. Oh, too late.
1, 2, 3.
Now hit it one more time.
2.
No, you change.
That was good. We are on 1 watt. That's what we want.
Oh yeah, now we're good.
We're good?
You're good. A112. Yeah.
So hopefully we're all good on cooling. We don't want it getting too hot in there.
Okay. We're going to throw it. Okay, it's good. Okay. Pass the screen.
I always miss the intro, says Cliff. Oh, my mate. Oh, we'll do the intro at the end. How about that? Or later on. Just we're going to get this one done. But we don't want it getting too hot in there. So. But yes, welcome to the HR Racing Show, my man. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've bumped it up to 1 watt, and that's what we want.
We're just tightening the hatches down now.
Okay, so
I can feel it getting warmer.
is it okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right.
Let's go. All right. So
I agree. Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we'll just do a couple little tests here. Okay, so right. Oh, you already did. You want me to throw it? Oh, you got the camera on your arm. There you go.
You can take it.
No, that's fine. Where's that? Do we have a spare fan? I didn't bring a fan with us, did I? Try to cool that fella down. There you go. There you go. No, you put it on. It's fine. Put it on your watch. You can throw it. You can fly it. Oh, it was offline.
Okay, so just go into the thing.
There you go. It's supposed to be flying. Okay, so hopefully you can see us. Drum roll, please, says Cliff. All right. Thanks, my mate. Thanks, my mate. There you go. So good luck, everyone, and hopefully you can see us. We're just going to do a couple of little tests here.
All good?
Yeah. So what are we going to do? We're going to change to the big screen on the VTX, or we're going to leave it like that?
Okay, I'm recording. You ready? The left is left, right is right, left is definitely left, right is definitely right, up is up, down is down, right.
Okay, so just a little propeller test. Hang on.
You all good?
Okay, yep.
Okay, here we go. Propeller test. Okay, so is this the right scene that we wanted him?
I think so. Go big or go home. Go big on the big screen. Oh, okay, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
These guys are nuts. I've never seen it before. But H now racing. You know it, son. You know it. Okay.
It's supposed to tune in.
Okay, so it's this screen up the top. Okay, so we've got a different webcam. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, go big or go home, or as we like to say, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit.
Okay, so I got some sort of protection on. Enjoy.
Okay, so it might be the shortest live stream we've ever done because you don't know until you're up in the air. But it's gonna be one heck of a ride.
Okay, so yes.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Wish us luck. Double thumbs up from everyone.
Okay.
Wish us luck. So we're gonna leave you for a second, and we're gonna go out there, and yes, hope you can see us. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. But you can do it right now. Hey! Hey, I'll change back to the other screen. Hey, I'll change back to the main screen. So, that was a very short live stream, wasn't it? There you go. How to cook a VTX, yeah, you reckon? There you go. So, yeah, there you go. So, what happened, guys? What went wrong? What do you reckon? So I don't actually know. You unplugged it. Yeah, we're going to. So I don't actually know what actually went wrong on that one. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So what I did is, can you change the screen so it's bigger? Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, it might be right. Yeah, you might be able to see. Yeah. So there you go. Doesn't always go perfectly on live stream, but these things do happen. So, but don't worry, we will be going again. What do you think went wrong, Richard? I think what went wrong. Actually, I don't know. It seemed to pull. It seemed to pull hard to the left, didn't it? Yes, I think so. It pulled a little bit hard to the left, and which is weird because the propeller's spinning the opposite. See, yeah, yeah. And yes, it was exciting though, wasn't it? It was well worth giving it a go. I think it was a good straight launch though. I gave it dead flat. Pretty dead flat. You had pretty much good throttle. Yeah, it just kind of like it kind of just went straight flat, and then when the throttle came in, it just went to the left like that, didn't it? Yeah, interesting. Upside down even nearly. Yeah, there's nothing I could do. No, but I mean, it's nothing that it can't be repaired. It's only a little bit of glue here and here. Nothing that we won't be able to do right now. Let's send it down. So, but yeah, does it look broken? Does it? No, nothing's broken. Yeah, I mean, obviously the plastic is. I'll just bring that up close so you guys can see. See the carnage, right? Can you hold that one? This one. Yeah, just take that one. Yeah. There you go. So there you go. So we got a one spar intact. So we need to poke that guy back in. What else is there? This wing over here has got a crack down the middle. You might be able to see that there. And hard luck, guys. Repair time. Absolutely. There you go. Maybe that's what the next live stream will be. We're repairing it. Oh yeah. That's an idea. If you want to see that sort of thing. Yes, and then it looks like it's got one crack through the fuselage. Oh, here, I'll get it out of the way. There, can you see that? Yeah, I think you guys can see it. My glove's kind of in the way, but yes. But yes, and that's about it. I don't think electronically it seems fine. Seems okay, yeah. All the parts are there, so that's good, right? Yeah, everything else disconnected fine, where they're supposed to. So yes. What do you think happened exactly? I'm not actually entirely sure why it didn't fly. It kind of went, like I said, just kind of went up and then over, which is obviously not what you want. No, but it was a good throw though at the beginning. Nick says, "Good try, guys. Thanks." But these things do happen, so there you go. But it's not that it won't fly; it just won't be flying today. Yes, that's right. But yes. Did you want to Did you want to fly something else? Did we have anything else? Did we grab anything else? No. I don't know if we did. No, we came prepared with anything else, but no, we didn't. But that's okay. That's all right. Was there anything else we need to say about it? No, really. That doesn't really look damaged there. So the spar's not broken, right? The spar's not broken. Yeah. The electronics look clean. Yeah. It's just a bit of glue, I think. I don't think it necessarily even needs a reprint. No. Always next week. Go for launch next week there again. That's probably a good idea. But yes, there you go. That just slots back in there, and that'll slot back in there. All right. So maybe, I mean, that could probably be glued up overnight, couldn't it? I could probably even do it now, but what, go for launch right now? No, I don't think so. No, it's okay. Maybe that wing. What do you think that wing tip? That's looking a little crooked, isn't it? What do you think? Does that need to be a reprint on that one? Looks kind of a bit sagged down a bit, I think. Yeah, maybe. So maybe one piece needs to be reprinted, but I don't think anything else does. No. Interesting problem, but there you go. Not sure why it did that. No. I don't think it was anything, or maybe, did it get an airspeed still, do you think? Wasn't going faster. Well, it was going pretty quick at that time. Yeah, interesting. Might be even the wind wasn't enough wind. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think the H&R Destruction Show ideas for you? H&R Destruction Show. Off Exer says, send it. I finished my build. Just need some parts. Put the electronics in. Nice work, guys. Yes.
Well, we did send it very recently.
Recently, but now it doesn't have parts. But yes, I'll say that. Yeah, I'll miss that part. But these things do happen,
and you can always catch it on the repeat.
Yes, yes, and I think what will happen is we'll go home. Maybe it will reprint that wing tip there. I don't think there's anything else really done. These parts are just minor gluing.
There's no broken components electronically.
I don't think so. No. And no, it's just disconnected here. Just on the VTX is disconnected on the cable.
Oh, yeah.
But
I think that's just a plug. It unplugged.
It's just a plug. It.
See, there's a plug there. See, just unplugged. There's a little plug. Yeah. That's all good. So it helps itself out.
So yes, there you go. What happens on live stream stays on live stream. Yes. But it was was kind of a.
He reckons Nick says put in the slingshot. Well, not in this state.
You reckon in the slingshot now? You reckon? But there you go. There you go. I don't think anything electronically is broken. So yeah.
It was a bit of fun, though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can't always go to plan, because if it did every time, it'd be kind of boring, wouldn't it?
Yes, there you go. Some carnage for you guys today.
But that in itself is exciting, right?
Yeah. What was your best part? Was it where I launched it, or when it hit the ground?
Yeah. What was it? The aftermath?
Yeah, like a mini pole. There you go. So there you go. It might be a short live stream for us.
But that's okay.
But we appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll repair this guy and send him again on live stream. Might as well.
We'll just keep going with live stream with him.
Yeah, might as well. I know he can fly, so
yeah, that's right. We'll just keep going. And what besides this guy, does anybody have any other ideas about what we could do on live stream in terms of like plane?
Yeah, what do you guys want to see?
Yeah, what do you guys want to see? Like,
did you want to see planes? Did you see something else?
Yeah. Or did you have a specific print that we could print out and do that on live stream?
Yeah, if you wanted something specific. That's true.
Cliff says he liked the bit about the flying. It was a very short bit. Yeah, or short and sweet, right?
Short and sweet's the best kind.
Round two. Yeah, there'll be a round two. Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah,
definitely round two.
Do you think it'll be like part 6? Repairing.
Oh, a live repair. Yeah.
Do you guys want to see that? A live repair on live stream, say next week? That's right. And then we just save it for you. Otherwise, it's like a private thing where we just like repair it and then go again. Or do you want to just go and see the actual flight?
What do you guys want to see?
Maybe build a launch stand for it.
Yeah, that's an idea.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. Next says maybe the plane needs a rocket.
Oh, now we're talking.
Yeah. What would you put on top?
Would you put it on top or underneath? Or would you put 2 boosters on the side?
On the wings. On the wing spars.
Yeah.
Damn, that would be going quick.
That would be going real fast, yo.
Yes, and the helicopter went really fast too. And that needs a bit of a rebuild at the moment. We want to see it. Oh, you want to see it all? Oh, okay. So, that's what we'll we'll do next week. We'll put this one aside for you guys. And we won't touch it. We won't touch it. Maybe I'll reprint this wing tip. Yeah, because that kind of we could might as well just do it anyway.
Yeah. And we'll save it for next week.
Save it for next week.
Live stream. Yeah, that's fun.
That's fun. Yeah, so different. And
I like that.
So what do you reckon?
Okay, so we'll finish it up.
Yeah.
So what is the episode next week?
We just said. Oh, you mean on Tuesday?
Yeah, on Tuesday. What's the episode on Tuesday?
Tuesday. What is Tuesday? I'm working on something else. It's the long range FPV RC boat, autonomous boat.
That's right, Miami Vice.
Yes.
So we thought we'd channel in Don Johnson.
Do you guys fly in the wings simulator? We haven't.
Oh, you suggested that maybe we should. Which is fair enough. Fair enough.
Fair game.
Not years and years ago, we flew on a Gen 1. You know, with like
Oh, yes.
When a PC was in fact PC.
A PC was a PC.
Or was it the KTX 3000?
Yes.
And it lasted like 1 year before you had to buy a new one.
Yes, and you used CD-ROMs in those days.
You remember those?
And there you go.
Encyclopedia and Carter was a thing.
There you go. What's the next movie of the week? Oh, can I think of one right now?
Oh yeah,
we can think of one right now. I was watching one. I saw about 10 minutes of it last night. It was
pretty good.
Looked pretty cool. It was by Nick. I didn't get to see the whole thing. It was called Bangkok Dangerous with Nicolas Cage.
Yeah. And so he's got a new hairdo. It always seems to have you guys noticed that too? That Nicolas Cage always has a new hairdo in every film that he ever does.
Yeah, that's interesting. He's also a very good actor, so good on him.
Yeah, it's cool. I quite like Nicolas Cage.
Yeah,
I liked him in the one with the the plane and they fly the prisons around. What's that called? Con Air. I liked him in that.
He was badass in that movie.
Yeah. I mean, there's lots of other films that he's great in as well.
Actually says Batman Returns on my Discord in 30 minutes. Dude, we're gonna have a look at it for sure. Batman Returns is a badass movie. Yes.
That's right. That's the one with the penguin. Right?
Yes.
What was his name? Danny DeVito.
Yes. Penguin. Cliff says H&R Destruction, H&R Destruction, H&R Destruction. Yeah. I've already practiced the outro. Very cool. There you go. So there you go. We've got a new outro for you. And yeah, we'll be flying the sky again. We'll do the, like you said, great suggestion. We'll go and do a repair on live stream next week. So make sure you tune in for that. On Tuesday, we have the
Miami
Vice
3D printed boat.
And
build series starts, right?
Build series starts for that. So quite excited about that. It's taken about maybe 6 months for that guy to be made.
Just we had lots of setbacks.
And design changes and whatnot. So yes, it'd be quite good to finish start that series.
Yeah.
Cliff says I've seen the actual plane that they filmed in Con Air. It's a little place called Wendover.
Interesting.
Wow. Oh, Wendover. Oh, nice. Very cool.
Wow. It's almost like a it's in the desert, right?
Yeah. I mean, they
like a junkyard type thing.
I think they land in Las Vegas. I think
at the end of the film, right? Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Hmm.
Well, on the outside, the stream worked great.
Yeah. Right? So we're looking at the positives.
So it's 50-50.
The stream worked great. I think
plane not so much, but the stream worked great. So that was good.
There you go. And but it's not necessarily wrong. It's just these things happen. So when you're pushing the limits, why not?
Yeah, why not? And plus, it's 3D printed.
We just fix it.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll do that next week.
Interesting. Yeah. Cool.
Okay. Looking forward to the reconstruction live. Are you? Yeah, I think so.
Different.
Okay, so I think we'll sign out. Well,
I didn't cut my fingers. There you go. We're still there.
That's good. Okay, so we'll sign out.
Yeah, and there was nobody around, so that's good.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, well, thanks very much, everyone, for tuning in. We have to thank all our sponsors.
Yes,
check out the check out the links on the on our page.
Yeah, on the page.
Cliff says it's in Utah, Nevada. Yeah,
nice,
absolutely. Okay.
So from the field, we're Harry and Richard.
We're at
I'm actually Harry. This is Richard.
Yeah, you can't be one person. Okay, so I'm Richard. This is Harry.
Hey.
And thanks very much
for tuning in.
Good night.
Appreciate it.
And we're gonna.
Good morning if it's in the morning.
It could be.
There you go. And we'll be tuning in for the reboot next week.
Outro
time.
Right, okay.
Destruction. Destruction.
Okay,
we'll go back to the classic. Okay. So here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. H&R racing. Yeah. Destruction. Construction. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. From Harry and Richard. See ya next week.